Welcome to Brand Investigation. I wanted to buy the best mixer grinder brands in online, but there were so many brands and models listed that I couldn't decide, but it had countless options too now. Don't worry. We have done the research for you. Trusted platforms like Amazon customer reviews, Flipkart customer reviews, Trustpilot user ratings, Quora users question with answers, and Walmart ratings and reviews for you. We're comparing the best mixer grinder, Sujata, Bosch, Atomberg and Panasonic, to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Starting with power wattage, Panasonic takes the lead with a powerful 1500W motor, followed by Bosch at 1000W, Sujata at 900W, and Atomberg at 485W. Despite its lower wattage, Atomberg uses an energy-efficient BLDC motor, reducing power consumption without compromising on performance. Moving on to speed settings, Bosch offers the most versatility with 3 speeds plus a pulse mode. Atomberg includes a coarse mode along with 3 speed settings, while Sujata and Panasonic provide a standard 3-speed operation, suitable for most tasks. Next, considering the number of jars, Bosch, Atomberg, and Panasonic come with 4 jars, offering more options for different preparations, whereas Sujata includes 3 jars which still cover most common grinding needs. Now focusing on grinding jar capacity, all brands provide a 1000 ml jar, ensuring sufficient space for spices, dry ingredients, or grinding larger quantities of food in one go. When it comes to liquidizing jar capacity, each mixer grinder offers a generous 1500 ml jar, ideal for making smoothies, purees, or batters for Indian recipes. Looking at chutney jar capacity, all models again offer uniformity with a 400 ml jar, perfect for preparing small portions of chutneys or spice blends. Discussing the jar material, Sujata, Bosch, and Atomberg use durable stainless steel jars, while Panasonic combines 304 grade stainless steel with a plastic juicer jar, which might appeal to those wanting a lightweight juicing option. Now turning to blade quality, Sujata and Bosch provide high-grade stainless steel blades for efficient grinding, Atomberg comes with hardened stainless steel blades for durability, and Panasonic offers samurai edge blades known for their cutting precision. As for overload protection, all 4 models are equipped with this safety feature, which prevents motor damage by shutting off automatically when overloaded. Considering the motor type, Sujata, Bosch, and Panasonic use traditional universal motors, whereas Atomberg features a modern BLDC motor that ensures energy efficiency and quieter performance. Next, looking at the lid type, Sujata uses transparent lids that are not polycarbonate, making them slightly less durable. On the other hand, Bosch, Atomberg, and Panasonic use transparent polycarbonate lids, offering both visibility and toughness. Now, moving on to the country of manufacture, all the mixer grinders are made in India, supporting local manufacturing and service accessibility. Talking about the noise level, Sujata, Bosch, and Panasonic operate at moderate noise levels, while Atomberg stands out with a low noise motor, making it ideal for quieter kitchens. When we review the body material, Sujata has a shockproof ABS body for added safety, whereas Bosch, Atomberg, and Panasonic use standard ABS plastic, which is durable and common in modern appliances. Regarding power wire length, all 4 brands offer approximately 1.5 meters of cable, providing sufficient reach to plug in across different kitchen setups. Examining build quality, Sujata and Bosch are rated as excellent, showing premium construction and reliability, while Atomberg and Panasonic are considered good, still dependable but not quite as high-end. Considering online pricing, Sujata, Bosch, and Atomberg are priced competitively, offering great value for money, while Panasonic is noted for its high price, which may reflect its powerful motor and premium components. As for customer service, Sujata shines with excellent support, while Bosch, Atomberg, and Panasonic offer good service, which is generally reliable but can vary by location. Looking at the general warranty, Sujata offers a 1-year warranty, while Bosch, Atomberg, and Panasonic provide a better 2-year warranty, offering more peace of mind for long-term use. Moving to the motor warranty, all 4 brands give a 5-year warranty on the motor, which is a strong assurance of durability and performance. Finally, based on the integrated customer rating, Sujata leads with a 4.6 out of 5, Bosch and Atomberg follow closely with 4.4, and Panasonic receives a 4.1, likely impacted by its higher price and moderate noise level.
Prices change daily. To check exact model and latest price in the description. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our Brand Investigation YouTube channel. The data comes from official sources, trusted purchases, and real customer reviews and ratings. If you buy the product online using our link, please check the product details on the seller's website before purchasing. Make sure to verify what accessories or items are included in the delivery box. After receiving the product, check everything carefully. We stand by our promise not to review cheap or poorly rated items. Avoid the cheap and short-lived. Choose us for quality and value. Your subscription is not just a click, it's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our Brand Investigation YouTube channel.